Hello and welcome again to this art tutorial on animation with Procreate. Very simple product. You press the play button and you've got all these little drawings along the bottom here. As you can see, when I move them from left to right, the cloud of smoke and the flames are going up and down from the chimney, and that's basically drawings that evolve. So from a small flame, and then you work your way up, making the flames bigger, and up here you've got the animation assist button should be blue. That means it's on. The most important thing though is to remember to press the background button. So you've got the car as a main background, and then everything else around it will be animated. So it's a pretty simple little app, and I just want you to enjoy it and experiment, and let's not forget to like, subscribe, and email us all your lovely animation. Love to see it, love to put it on our Instagram and Facebook page. See you next time. Bye.